Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve Olympiad math problem that looks very interesting. So its solution will be more easy and simple. So we will solve this question that is 2 raised to power m equals 125 and 5 raised to power n equals 128. You have to find the value of mn. So solve this question as first of all consider 2 raised to power m equals 125. This is the equation 1. And the 5 raised to power n equals 128. This is considered as equation 2. Now we will apply here the first method. We will solve this question by two methods. So first method is first of all write 2 raised to power m equals 125. Then 125 can be write as 5 cube because when we multiply 5 3 times it will equals 125. Now we have to find the value of 5 raised to power n. For this purpose we will take power n on both sides of this equation. So 5 raised to power 3 whole power is n. So this will become 2 raised to power mn and this has 5 raised to power 3n. Now in the next step 2 raised to power mn equals 5 raised to power n whole power is 3. This can be write as because we know that a raised to power m into n can be write as a power mn. So 5 raised to power n equals 128. So we will write this here. 2 raised to power mn equals 128 power n. Since 128 equals 2 raised to power 7, so we write 2 raised to power mn equals 2 raised to power 7. And this is 3. Sorry. So 7 multiply 3 is 27. So we have 2 raised to power mn equals 2 raised to power 21. It means that when bases are same, powers are also same. So mn equals 21. So we will write the answer here. So this is the first method. Now we will apply the second method to solve this question to find the value of mn. So now what will be the second method? For this purpose, take log on both sides of equation 1 and 2. We have to take log on both sides. So we get log 2 raised to power m equals log 125. Then according to the log rule, m is in the start. So m log of 2 equals log of 125. Then we get value of m equals log of 125 divided by log of 2. This is called equation 3. Now log 5 raised to power n equals 128. Then n is in the start. N log 5 equals, we have taken log of this also, log 128. Then n equals log 128 divided by log of 5. This is called equation 4. Now we will rewrite the values of m and n here. Log 125 by log 2 and n is log 128 divided by log of 5. This is called the equation 3 and this is called the equation 4. Now we will continue this process. The second method is by multiplying equation 3 and 4. So what will it becomes? Mn equals log of 125 by log of 2 multiply log of 128 by log of 5. Also write log here. Then 125 is the 5 cube. This is log of 2. Multiply log 128 is log 2 raised to power 7. Then we will apply the log rule. According to that, power is in the start. So 3 log 5 divided by log of 2 multiply 7 log of 2 divided by log of 5. So log 2 are cancel out and the log 5 and log 5 are cancel out. We have 3 multiply 7, that equals 21. So we get the value of mn equals 21 also by the second method. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Take care.